the pre-manufacturing component is what we are established for, which also allows us to be able to step up in times of need, such as we're experiencing with COVID-19, to be able to support our local community.
One thing that we're looking at right now is having people come in overnight to 3D print mask extenders, so that way nurses and doctors, their ears, which are constantly being rubbed on by elastic from their masks, are less chafed. And so right now I'm trying to come up with a laser cut version of the same sort of mask extender, so that way we can make them in about a minute each instead of about 25 minutes each.
As you can imagine, 12 hours a day with the elastic over your ears can become quite irritating, even painful. And these bands are able to prevent that from happening.
It's awesome being able to help, but it's also exhausting. I can't imagine what those who are actually on the front lines are facing, because this is tiring. I feel like my brain is constantly going in 100 different directions, but I know that other people are dealing with so much worse. So as busy as I am, I'm also very thankful.
If we didn't have the Stourbridge Project, we would not be able to be doing any of these things. We would not have identified so many makers in our community who are now able to access the Stourbridge Project, but also their own equipment at home through collaborations with other makers here at the Stourbridge Project, and to start to develop a whole line of medical-related pieces. As soon as we emerge from our current situation with the virus, we're very excited to be able to continue to bring these types of services and opportunities to our community.